Allah.
मर्दाना मर्दाना फैमिली है.
पहले तो वो स्कैनर रखे जान से रखे
Yes.
नहीं
Actually, nobody, you talk in na Punjabi, Hindi, nobody, no party is talking this matter to anybody except BDP.
ये जो एक नोट एक वोट का जो सिद्धांत है बीडीपी के अलावा कोई भी पार्टी इस बात को लोगों तक लेके नहीं जा रही।
इस वक्त हम होशियारपुर के गांव रायपुर में हैं और आपको एक बात बता दें कि रायपुर में एक अजय इलेक्शन कैंपेन हो रहा है, जिसकी बात करें तो जीवन सिंह तामिल नाम के एक सिख जो पंजाब में खास करके अपना चुनाव लड़ने के लिए अपना पहुंचे हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। जीवन, व्हाई आर यू कंटेस्टिंग फॉर होशियारपुर इलेक्शन?
So I am a citizen of India. I have a right to contest from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Assam. But there is a historical background in Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur is the place where our scheduled caste, the oppressed people, a depressed people movement emerged in 1927 in Hoshiarpur by Babu Mangura Mangualia. At the same time, he won the election in 1937 in the same constituency, and as well as in 1996, the great revolutionary, that social transformer who fight for the social transformer, Babu our Manyar Kanshiramji also contested the election, and the people elected Manyar Kanshiramji from this constituency. That's what I want to, through this election, through this contesting election in Hoshiarpur, I am telling the message throughout the country that I am going to revive the Manyar Kanshiramji movement, and as well as I make a brotherhood from south to north and east to west.
Why did you voting for you, Hoshiarpur people?
Actually, I'm having a lot of issues. The people are having issues in Punjab, but our gurus and bhagats told a solution to us. But our people, especially our Sikh people and other our SC, ST, OBC people, never follow the solutions. They are always keeping the demands and as well as memorandum and petitions. So we have a solution through the path of our gurus and bhagats. So that's what people surely they will cast their vote to me.
People cannot understand your because language.
Yes.
Many difficult.
Yes. But I having nowadays a lot of our especially the lowest among the lowest people got an education. So some people, our team is from our professor is here and other, as well as my vice president Ashok Saket is here. They are doing whatever I am talking to the public. They are translating. The people also articulate with me. They are also raising a lot of questions. There is no actually Rahul Gandhi is contesting election at Wayanad. How he doesn't know Malayalam, but he is contesting election at Wayanad. So there is not a language issue. Ideology is a issue here.
What will do you for Hoshiarpur after winning?
So actually it is not an election like a Panchayat or otherwise. It is not an election like a Vidhan Sabha. It is an election for making a law-making representative. It is purely related to the policy and law and rule. So whoever elected from here, they are not ready to discuss about the law and rule in the parliament. So I will go to parliament. If our people elected me as a MP of this constituency, I will raise the border issue, Wagah border issue. Because already border open in Myanmar, Nepal and Bangladesh. That is not an issue. But when it comes to the Punjab, still now the government not allowed to open the border to do the business, commercial traffic business. Completely banned here. So I will raise that question. I will raise the question. I will give the solution also. At the same time, that political prisoners, more than they are sentenced, they are in the bar. So I will raise the question at the parliament. As soon as I want to bring the whoever in the bar, in the name of the political prisoners, I will raise the question. I will bring from their bar, and I will I will allow to live in among the civilians.
बिल्कुल यदि बात की जाए तो जीवन सिंह तामिल का कहना है कि यदि वो यहाँ से विनिंग होते हैं तो सबसे बड़ी बात ये होगी कि वो बाघा बॉर्डर को खुलवाने के लिए सबसे पहले वो काम करेंगे, जिससे व्यापार और अन्य काम जो है सुविधा हो सके और हिंदुस्तान का बिजनेस अच्छा चल सके। कैमरामैन नरेश के साथ रमन खोसला, जी मीडिया, होशियारपुर।